Te Wānanga. Talked about the number of heke that were going to be used and then how we were going to tell the various stories. So we did whakapapa on the human side and then the flora and fauna, whakapapa on the taiao, and the last one at the back is Waikoro David, ngā hau o te hauāuru.
Well, I was awestruck when I saw them for the first time actually up on the ceiling. I'm so used to seeing them leaning up against a wall or laying on a table for a little bit more paint to go on them, that actually seeing them living where they are was just like, wow. My connection to them when I first started was just for my kids. You know, a tribute to my ancestors and my tupuna, but also going forward that my kids could come in here and go, my mum did that.